Becoming a nurse, administrative assistant, teacher, or nursing assistant are some of the most common careers for women. This is reported by the U.S. Department of Labor. But what if someone wants to make more money? Because an administrative assistant, on average, makes $39,000 a year. If you have any of these jobs, I'm going to offer you some alternatives. For my nurses, if you have not seen my Get Out of Bedside video, make sure you go and watch it because I give you so many options to enter clinical research. From being a CRA, CRC, or CTM, those jobs will land you in the six-figure range. Offering teachers alternatives has always been difficult for me because I understand when you go into teaching, you really want to change people's lives. I think that's what teachers do. Some of my teachers that I've had in high school, middle school, even college have literally changed my life. I feel like becoming a recruiter is a great alternative to pursuing teaching. If you're interested in building relationships with people and helping them throughout their career journey, recruiting is a great path. More importantly, the national average for a biotech recruiter is $86,000 a year. I've worked with Meet Recruitment before. I absolutely love them. I think they're top tier in biotech and biopharma. And they pay pretty well. No experience needed. Entry-level recruiter, $50,000 to $80,000 a year. Now, for administrative assistants, the alternative I would offer is people operations. The average annual salary for someone working in people operations is about $52,000 a year, but that's a leg up from the $39,000 on average. Now, of course, I did my research for you guys. This is a company called Surf Air. I was really just looking for entry-level people operations roles that wouldn't require a bachelor's degree, and they were one of them. These are some of the roles that they're hiring for, but I think what will be important when you're looking for people operations role without like a human resources related degree, for the companies that are interested in a people hire, a personality hire, rather than just a degree holder. And last but not least, my nursing assistants. I think clinical trial recruitment is a great option. And clinical trial recruitment is not the same as being like a technical recruiter for a job. You're actually working with people who will participate in studies. On average, clinical trial recruiters make $80,000 a year. You can also look into becoming a drug safety specialist. I'm going to give you 2 job postings right now. Here's a drug safety assistant role for Pfizer. When I looked at the job description, it didn't say anything about educational requirements. It said if you didn't have a bachelor's, like years of experience in a relevant area would be fine. So working as a nursing assistant, you do get necessary clinical experience, so I feel like it'll be fine. And here is the clinical trial recruitment representative role, where they also didn't actually ask for a bachelor's or anything like that. I believe associate was completely fine, or experience. There are so many jobs out there, and even though we may see things that say like most common careers for women is RN and being an assistant, there's so many options for you if you just look a little deeper.